Hi, I'm Ms. Palmiro and I'm new to the district this year. In PE, we ask that your child comes to school with their sneakers on their PE day to be allowed to participate that day. They are also allowed to bring a water bottle if they get thirsty. We will be using both the indoor and outdoor facilities, so please have your child dress appropriately according to the weather. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Ms. Sampalayo. Presently, we're working on activities that involve spatial awareness using limited equipment. We hope to be able to use more equipment as the situation improves. In elementary PE, we focus mainly on fundamental motor skills such as throwing, catching, kicking, and jumping, which are essential for a wide range of activities. Our goal is to have them leave school with these skills so that they are more confident and motivated to participate in physical activity in the future.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Beardsley, one of the phys ed teachers. In phys ed class, our students work 12 feet apart from one another. Students wear masks the whole time that they are in class. We allow students mask breaks and have designated areas if they need additional mask breaks. We teach the students to listen to their bodies. If they are overworking themselves, we ask them to modify their activity and to work at a slower pace. If your child is an online-only student, we send 2 activities for them per week. If your child comes to school every other day, they will be receiving 1 activity per week on their learning platform. All assignments for the week are due on Fridays. If they are in grades K to 2, their activities are on Seesaw. If your child is in grades 3 through 5, their work is on Google Classroom. Thank you so much. Have a great day. If you need any additional information from the phys ed department, please feel free to email us. We are here to help. Thank you.